Hello everyone, I'm the Cyber Professor and I'm bringing you a new video today, why AI is reshaping the future of cybersecurity and what you should be doing now. If you're in cybersecurity or trying to break in, you need to understand something right now. Artificial intelligence isn't just a trending topic, it's the most disruptive force we've seen in the cyber world in the last decade. And no, this isn't theory, it's not speculation. AI is already changing how we detect, analyze, defend, and even respond to cyber threats today. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI is reshaping the future of cybersecurity. I'll break down what's changing, how it impacts your career, and most importantly, what you should be doing right now to stay ahead of this shift. Because this wave, it's not optional. And if you don't learn to ride it, you're going to get left behind. So let's get into it. Let's start with the core shift. Traditional cybersecurity is reactive by design. Most teams are still waiting for an alert, reviewing logs after an incident, or playing cleanup once a breach happens. We build SIEM dashboards, correlation rules, and watch traffic spike, but we only act once the system tells us something is already wrong. And I get it, that's how it always has been, but AI flips that entire model on its head. We're entering an era where cybersecurity can become proactive, predictive, and adaptive. Imagine systems that don't just notify you after an attack, they detect behavioral patterns, learn from past attacks, and anticipate what's coming based on statistical modeling and real-world threat data. Here's an example. Let's say a user logs in at 3 a.m. from a foreign IP. Traditional tools might flag that as anomalous, but they stop there. AI go further. It can compare the behavior against hundreds of user profiles, correlate it with threat intel feeds, and calculate a real-time risk factor that triggers automated containment before the attacker even moves laterally. That's the shift. We're not building firewalls anymore. We're building self-learning defense systems. Now let's talk about the heart of this AI evolution, LLMs, or large language models. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and now open source LLMs like Mistral and Falcon are becoming game changers in the cybersecurity space. Why? Because they do something that no script, dashboard, or platform has ever been able to do at scale. They understand language. Picture this. Instead of your SOC analyst wasting 30 minutes querying logs using clunky filters, they type, "Show me all failed admin logins from outside our geofence in the last 72 hours that also triggered multi-factor authentication prompts." And they get an immediate breakdown, filtered, summarized, correlated, and readable. No scripting, no query language, just insight. LLMs also streamline security policy generation based on frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, and your own internal controls. Knowledge transfer by acting as a dynamic mentor for junior analysts, explaining concepts or writing Python snippets for quick remediation. And executive reporting, turning complex threat data into plain language summaries with charts for board meetings. This is more than just convenience, this is force multiplication. One analyst empowered by LLM can now perform the work of 3, faster, cleaner, and with less burnout. And that's just the beginning. Let's not forget the threat actors are using AI too, and they're using it without rules, without ethics, and without hesitation. Cyber criminals are leveraging generative AI to write phishing emails that perfectly mimic brand tone and style, create deepfake audio of CEOs and directors to launch social engineering attacks, and running automated exploit searches, code obfuscation, and payload crafting using models like CodeLlama and GPT-4. What used to take an adversary days of recon and scripting can now be done in minutes, and it's not just individuals. Nation-state groups, ransomware gangs, and even cyber mercenary firms are weaponizing AI at scale. So here's the question. If the offense is evolving faster than ever, why are so many defenders still relying on 2018 era tools and tactics? We can't just match pace anymore. We have to leap ahead, and AI is the only way we can do that. Now, before you think AI is a magic bullet, let's get real. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. And in security, the consequences of misuse are massive. Here are 3 core risks. Number 1, prompt injection attacks. Just like SQL injection, exploited input fields, attackers are now injecting malicious prompts into chatbots, web forms, and APIs to manipulate LLM behavior. If you're embedding AI in user-facing tools and you're not sanitizing inputs, you're inviting compromise. Number 2, data leakage via AI models. When organizations feed sensitive data into public LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini, they often forget those models might store or learn from those inputs. That means internal PII, financials, or security configs can leak through model queries down the road. And number 3 is hallucinations and bias. LLMs are known to make up stuff. If you're using them to generate security recommendations, risk reports, or compliance advice without validation, you're creating false confidence with real liability. So the bottom line, AI is a weapon. And just like any powerful weapon, it needs structure, policy, and governance behind it. So here's the practical part. What should you be doing right now to stay ahead? Let me give you 4 specific moves. Number 1, get AI literate. That doesn't mean becoming a data scientist. It means understanding how models like GPT work, what a transformer is, what LLM ops means, and how to write and secure prompts. Because AI will show up in every cyber role, from GRC to red team. And if you don't speak the language, you'll be replaced by someone who does. Number 2, start using the tools. Open ChatGPT. Use it to write security SOPs, summarize NIST controls, or simulate threat actor behavior. Integrate Copilot into your documentation. Build something, even if it's small. Action beats theory every single time. Number 3, focus on cyber-specific use cases. Not just prompt engineering, but security-specific prompt engineering. Use LLMs to analyze logs, write firewall rules, automate policy audits, and detect lateral movement patterns. Build your portfolio. Whether you're new to cyber or trying to level up, you need projects that showcase how you use AI in a security context. That's how you stand out to recruiters, consulting clients, and leadership teams. Look, AI won't eliminate cybersecurity jobs, but cybersecurity professionals who use AI will absolutely replace those who don't. If you're watching this and wondering where to start, I've built a roadmap for you. The Cyber Enforcer Career Program is my step-by-step system to help everyday people launch real cybersecurity careers. It's designed to take you from beginner to job ready in about 6 months, with hard copy books, full labs, guided training, and certification prep for Network Plus, Security Plus, Cloud Plus, and many more. I'll teach you the fundamentals first, the stuff employers actually want. Then I'm going to show you how to apply AI when you're ready, the right way. If you're serious about building a future in cyber, this is your move. You need to check out my course. I have my next cohort starting soon. I'm the Cyber Enforcer, and this is your mission briefing. Let's get to work.